Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.7, fourth question. Okay, listen here. Question number 4. Find x so that x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive term of a geometric progression. Consecutive terms means we know first next term, right? Geometric progression, consecutive term of a geometric progression. If it is a geometric progression, we know second term divided by first term equal to third term divided by second term. What are the three consecutive terms they given? X plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15. Okay, that's you write first. Given x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15 are consecutive term of a geometric progression. If it is a geometric progression, we know T2 divided by T1 equal to T3 divided by T2. Second term divided by first term equal to third term divided by second term. Apply the value. What's the value of T2? X plus 12. X plus 12. What's the value of T1? X plus 6. Equal to, what's the value of T3? X plus 15. What's the value of T2? X plus 12. Right? You have to find the value of x. Find x. That's all. Okay. So, just you simplify, you will get the answer. How you simplify? Here, fractional number. This fractional number equal to this is also fractional number. What's the way of simplification? Have to write cross multiplication. Right? Shall we do? Okay. So, x plus 12 into x plus 12 equal to this one. X plus 6 into x plus 15. Cross multiplication. Okay. Now, shall we multiply this one? X into x. X into x. X square. X into 12 plus 12x. Okay. 12 into x plus 12x. 12 into 12. 12 into 12. 144 plus 144 equal to, now say the same way, x into x, x square. X into 15 plus 15x. 6 into x plus 6x. 6 into 15, 90. Okay? 6 into 15, 90. Okay. Now listen. X square equal to x square will be cancelled. X square we can cancel. Okay? Now 12x plus 12x. What's the value of 12x plus 12x? 24x plus 144 equal to 15x plus 6x. 15x plus 6x. What's the value? 21x plus 90. Okay. Now, you have to find the value of x. So, all x values you take one side and balance value you take that side. Okay. Okay. 24x, 21x I'll take left side. So, plus 21x becomes minus 21x equal to this 90 I keep the same side and this 144 I take right side. So, plus 144 becomes minus 144. You understand? So, this is equal to 24x minus 21x is 3x equal to 90 minus 144. What's the value? 144 minus 90. 4 minus 0, 4. 14 minus 9, 5. Okay. So, 54. 3x equal to 54 minus 54. Biggest number sign and subtract. Okay. So x equal to 3x equal to minus 54. X equal to minus 54 by 3. Okay. So this is equal to 1 3 is 3. Balance 2. 24. 8 3s are 24. So the value of x is minus 18. Minus 18. Do you understand, students? You have to find first, both are fractional number equal to fractional number. So cross multiplication. For simplifying, you take cross multiplication. While cross multiplying, then you will get x square, both side x square common, so you can cancel that x square. Afterwards you simplify. 12x plus 12x, 24x plus 144. Here 15x plus 6x, 21x plus the same 90 added. Next, we need the value of x, so x value I take left side, numbers I take that's right side. Okay. 24x minus 21x equal to 90 minus 144 plus 144 minus 144. 3x equal 24x minus 21x is 3x equal to, here biggest number sign is minus. So minus, when you subtract these two numbers, we will get 54. So we need x. So x equal to minus 54 divided by 3. Dividing 10, we will get 18. So the value of x is minus 18. Clear? Understood now? Question number 5. Find the number of terms of the following geometric progression. Find the number of terms of the following geometric progression. Number of terms. So what you have to find? N you have to find. Okay, number of terms means n. So the value of n you have to find. Okay. Of the following geometric progression. This sequence, they are saying this sequence is a geometric progression. Okay. In this geometric progression, you write the values. What's the value of a here? The value of a is first term 4. Okay, geometric progression, n terms, number of terms means at once you remember the formula Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. Okay, so a value first term 4 we wrote. Then r value, common ratio how you will find? Second term divided by first term. So 8 by 4 equal to 2. The value of our common ratio is 2. Here etc. Up to 8192 they given. So what do you mean about 8192? 8192 is nth term, right? Nth term is 8192. So Tn equal to 8192. Last term, nth term, we have this much term only is there. Okay, so you have to consider Tn equal to 8192. Clear, students? If they ask like this, first term, second term, third term, etc. up to nth term they given means this is the last term, nth term. Okay, Tn equal to this value you have to take and write. Clear? Now listen. Write the formula. A into r power n minus 1 equal to Tn. Already usually we said Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. Here you have to find the value of n. Tn value is there, so I take right side, that's all. Clear? So a into r power n minus 1 equal to Tn. Both are same. Tn equal to a into r power n is same as a into r power n minus 1 equal to Tn. Both are same, right? So I take this. Now apply the values. What's the value of a? 4 into, what's the value of r? 2 n. What's the value of n? Do you know the value of n? No, you don't know the value of n, but that's only question. Find the number of terms. So n you have to find. Now n minus 1 equal to, what's the value of Tn? 8192. Okay. Now listen. 2 power n minus 1 equal to, shall I take this 4 this side? Okay, so 8192 divided by 4. Already I said in fourth table, one number is divisible by 4 means how it will come? This last two numbers divisible by 4. Shall we check, is these two numbers divisible by 4? 2 fours are 8, balance 1 12, 3 fours are 12. So these two numbers, 92 is divisible by 4. So this whole number is divisible by 4. Clear, students? So shall I cut by the fourth table? 1 4 is 4. 2 fours are 8. 1, it won't go. So 0. Now 19. 4 fours are 16. Okay, 4 fours are 16. Balance 3, right? 32. Now say 8 fours are 32. Clear? So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2048. Okay. Now listen, students. That we need the value. We have to find the value of n. That n is as a power of 2. Right? So this 2048 also you take as a power of 2. Clear? Okay. Now 2 power n minus 1 equal to, you have to change this 2048 as a power of 2. For that you factorize like this, 2048. Second table. 1 2 is 2. 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then again 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 12. 6 2s are 12. Again second table. 1 2 is 2. 5. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 16. 8 2s are 16. Again second table. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again second table. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again second table. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are balance 1. So 12. 6 2s are 12. Again 2. 8 2s are 16. Again 2. 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power, how many 2s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 2s are there. So 2 power 11. Okay. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 11. So base are same means you can cancel this base. Power also same. So n minus 1 equal to 11. N minus 1 equal to 11. So n equal to 11 minus 1 here coming 10 plus 1. So n equal to 12. 11 plus 1 12. So the value of n equal to 12. Find the number of terms. The number of terms in this sequence is now 12 terms. Do you understand, students? So if they ask like this, you consider this 4 is first term is a ratio, second term divided by first term, this one Tn. You consider this value is Tn. Okay. Then you apply the value here. Base 2 means you have to convert these values as a power of 2. Okay? Then the factorize like this and do it. Clear, students? Understood? Okay. Now, fifth question, second subdivision. What's the question? The same question. Find the number of terms of the following geometric progression. Number of terms means, already I said the number of terms means you have to find the value of n. Okay? They given this sequence is a geometric progression. Okay, this sequence is a geometric progression. So first, what's the value of a? Already I said if it is a geometric progression, nth term number of terms anything means you have to remember the formula Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1, right? So for that we need the value of a, the value of r and Tn also, right? Okay, so here the value of a is first term 1 by 3. The value of r, how you find the value of r? R equal to second term divided by first term. That is equal to, what's the value of second term? 1 by 9. First term is what? What's the value of first term? 1 by 3. So this is equal to fraction number. So 1 by 9 into denominator also fraction. So into reciprocal of 1 by 3 you have to write. Clear? 1 by 9 here divided by 1 by 3. For that into reciprocal of 1 by 3. So 3 by 1. So 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. That is 1 by 3. So the value of r equal to 1 by 3. Okay. What about 1 by 2187? Tn. Tn equal to 1 by 2187. Clear, students? What's the question? You have to find the number of terms. That is the value of n. Okay. Formula. How we write the formula? Shall we write the formula? A into r power n minus 1 equal to Tn. Why I wrote here Tn? We have the value of Tn. Tn value is there. So, it is better you write in the right side. Okay. So, only I take right side. Now, we apply the values. The value of A is 1 by 3 into the value of r value 1 by 3. 1 by 3. The whole power. The value of n we don't know. N by n minus 1. That is equal to, what's the value of Tn? 1 by 2187. Listen, students. Now we need the value of n. So take this 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 equal to this 1 by 3 you take that side. How we will get? 1 by 2187 into 1 by 3 that side coming to 3 by 1. Clear? 1 by 3 here coming that this side coming to 3 by 1. Now we divide. 1 3 is 3. 7 3s are 21. Here 8. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2. 27. 9 3s are 27. Okay. So, your answer is 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 729. Okay. Now listen carefully. Here 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 729. So, this 729 you change as a power of 3. It's enough. Okay. Shall we take Already we did once. 729. I think 3 power 6. Okay. Once again you do and check it. 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. 12. 4 3s are 12. Here 9 is there. 3 3s are 9. Again 3. 8 3s are 24. Here 3. 1 3 is 3. Again third table. 2 3s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2. 21. 7 3s are 21. Again 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 3. Okay. So how we will get to that is equal to 1 by 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 3. Okay. Here what you will write? 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 power 6. Dear students, 1 by 3 power 6, shall I write 1 by 3 the whole power 6? Can write now? Okay. 1 by 3 power 6. Now I wrote 1 power 6 divided by 3 power 6. Right? 1 by 3 power 6. I can write 1 by 3 the whole power 6. Clear now? Because here 1 by 3 is there. We need the base value 1 by 3. So I take 1 by 3 the whole power 6. Because here 1 power 6 value won't change. 1 only. Clear? So 1 by 3 the whole power 6. Here 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1. Base same. So power also same. So n minus 1 equal to 6. Understood this step? Okay. Here 1 by 3 is there. So you consider this value also as a power of 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1 equal to here 1 by 3 the whole power 6. Base same is power also same. So n minus 1 equal to 6. So n equal to 6 minus 1 they are coming 10 plus 1. So n equal to 7. 6 plus 1 7. So in this sequence number of terms, how many number of terms? 7. In this sequence number of term is 7. N equal to 7. Clear students? Thank you.